If you want to password protect pages and lock pages with a password on iPhone, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReviewPro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to password protect pages on iPhone. In order to password protect pages and lock pages with a password on iPhone, you have to first of all open the page inside the Pages app. So let's open the page that you want to lock on iPhone. So once the page opens, what we have to do is we have to tap on this three dot icon. And when you tap on that, you will get these options. But among these options, you won't find the feature to set password for pages straightforward, because the option is hidden in one of these document options. So tap on document options, and when you tap on that, here you will see the option to set password. So tap on set password, and then you can enter the password and then re-enter to verify that. And once you have entered the password that you want to set and then re-entered, you can also toggle on the option for opening this with Face ID. If this is disabled, you may turn it on, and after that, simply tap done, and that will set the password for the pages on iPhone. Now, if we just go back and close these pages, the next time you will see that the lock icon has been added on these pages, and if we try to open, this will require the Face ID for opening this page. You may either unlock this with the Face ID, or you may also enter the password to unlock this. So this way you may password protect pages on iPhone and lock the pages with a password. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to convert pages to PDF on iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.